Sage, nature's antibacterial herb. Hello everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to a powerful herb that has been valued for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes, sage. Known for its earthy aroma and vibrant green leaves, sage is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It is a natural antibacterial and wellness-promoting herb. In this presentation, we'll explore the remarkable ways sage can support your health, particularly its antibacterial properties and overall benefits. Sage contains a variety of bioactive compounds including thujone, rosmarinic acid, and flavonoids, which have been studied for their antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. These compounds help the body fight harmful bacteria, protect cells from oxidative stress, and support overall immune function. By incorporating sage into your daily routine, you are harnessing nature's power to maintain health and resilience. One of the primary benefits of sage is its antibacterial activity. Studies have shown that sage can inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria, including those that cause respiratory infections, skin issues, and digestive discomfort. This makes sage a valuable natural ally for maintaining a balanced and healthy microbiome. Sage also supports oral health. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for reducing oral bacteria, freshening breath, and promoting gum health. Sage teas, mouth rinses, or essential oils can be incorporated into daily oral care routines for natural protection. In addition to its antibacterial effects, sage is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress can weaken the immune system and contribute to inflammation, so consuming sage regularly can support your body's defense mechanisms and overall wellness. Sage also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it helpful for soothing minor digestive issues, sore throats, and even mild skin irritations. Its natural compounds work gently with the body to reduce discomfort and promote balance. For practical use, sage can be incorporated in several ways. Sage tea. Steeping fresh or dried sage leaves in hot water provides antibacterial, antioxidant, and digestive benefits. Culinary use. Adding sage to meals enhances flavor while supporting overall health. Essential oil. Sage oil can be diluted and used topically or in aromatherapy for antibacterial and calming effects. Gargles and rinses. Sage-infused water can help maintain oral health and reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth. It is important to note that sage is generally safe when used in culinary amounts or as properly diluted essential oil. However, concentrated sage extracts or high doses may not be suitable for everyone, particularly pregnant women or individuals with certain health conditions. Consulting a healthcare provider is recommended for safe and effective use. In conclusion, sage is a powerful natural herb with antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Its ability to fight harmful bacteria, support oral and digestive health, and protect cells from oxidative stress makes it a versatile ally for overall wellness. By incorporating sage into your daily routine, you can harness its natural power to support immune health, prevent infections, and promote balance in the body. Nature has provided us with sage not only as a flavorful herb for cooking, but also as a potent natural remedy. From teas and culinary use to essential oils and oral care, sage offers a holistic, natural approach to wellness. By embracing sage in your lifestyle, you are taking advantage of a time-tested herb that supports your body, mind, and overall health. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of sage. Let this remarkable herb help you maintain wellness, fight harmful bacteria, and enjoy a healthier, balanced life every day.